IDX was small and all, y'all, but the new 1 liter mini is all bang for buck chuck. Let's see that ID cluck, dudes, it's a freaking laser.
So I just have to turn it on and install the DAW and a few plugins and load my old project for my last tune, and it should be ready to go. It's kind of, you get that feeling and you want to go and do all your other chores and pay some bills and, you know, do anything but doing this, because it's kind of annoying, but it's still, it's simple. I should get on with it right now.
Plugging it in, unraveling the chords, just enough time to rap these words. Come on, y'all, let's rock this jam. I'm out of here, peace.
So here you go, folks. The moment of truth. Yep, got to turn the power brick on. The moment of truth. Okay, maybe it wants a longer press. That was 2 moments of truth. There's blinking. I can see blinking. What does that mean? Blinking. See that? Oh, I've got something on the screen. So it comes with Windows 10 Pro and it's upgradable to Windows 11 Pro. And I'll go through all this.